What's up guys, Ryan from MuscleVsTuner here. Today we're going to be working on a 2013 Focus ST, which is owned by
Carson. My 2013 Focus ST. Gonna put a new engine intake on it and a boomba racing blow-off valve.
There's a clusterfuck of human beings in here.
Jake,
What?
you're making me nervous.
Why?
We're working on someone else's car and all I smell is alcohol.
yeah.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
Go ahead. How many dumbasses does it take to remove?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, look at that. Look how much space we got now.
Yeah. Hey, we can put like twin turbo right here.
Hold it up like a champion. Oh man.
To get out.
Oh. Add it to the bowl of nuts.
God damn.
Don't drop that damn.
Ain't nobody
Dude,
surprised. It's a
that's
clusterfuck.
fucking impossible.
You gotta go back behind the engine, and it's like
I
impossible.
was gonna say Ryan got the best chance at it.
We're going to have to take the engine out.
Yeah.
God damn.
Need a wrench?
This is fucking stupid.
You want a wrench?
I'm in.
Wasn't he the one earlier trying?
I feel like I'm giving birth.
When you already
Ow, it's fucking hot.
when you already knuckles
bitch.
There it is.
when you're already knuckles deep and she says go deeper.
I can't tell if I'm in.
Are you in?
Can't tell. What the fuck? Is that it?
Let me see it. Why you gotta be
Fuck.
rude?
Ow!
Are you sure it's the right fucking size?
I don't know.
I don't think it's the right fucking size.
on here?
Maybe that's why I couldn't get it on. You guys select it.
Unless they're like new.
One under 60.
What about wrench?
Hey, looky there.
You get it?
Looky there.
Boom.
Get that shit out of my face or I'll fucking...
That Mustang's bad.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Fucking... You want to throw hands right now?
No, dude, chill. These dudes are fucking assholes, man.
Because you're all through my shit.
What shit?
That shit. Get the fuck up out of here, bitch.
Oh, dude, there's a spider on that.
Yeah.
That's cool, dude. That means it makes your car go faster, right?
Dude, your car's gonna sound sick. It's gonna be... Are you fucking stupid?
Stand up if you want.
Fucking fight.
What are we doing here, young man?
Oh, that right?
What the fuck's it look like I do?
Wow, dude.
Oh!
It was to enlighten the viewers, not me.
Should take him.
Putting this here heat shield on, so it keeps the the air filter away from the heat. It shields it from it.
Hey,
Really, what does that mean?
First-
Go into detail, please.
first tip on MuscleVsTuner, say nothing informative because they will call you out and say you're wrong.
Yeah, that's everything, though.
There you go. That's
You can say the sky's blue. No, dude, it's fucking magenta or some shit. Oh.
You know what that is?
it's like computer.
How much all stuff cost you? $400?
Dude, race car parts for sure.
These were $385. This is
You know what that does?
Nope.
Is that 'cause it's
Blow
not
it out.
Yeah, and then
That's what makes it go.
It's actually
Yeah.
two. Yeah.
What do we need?
Look at me, motherfucker.
Dude, get that. You better get that fucking camera out of my face right now before I whoop your ass. I swear to God. And everything I love, yo.
This is why
Everything I love,
This is
yo.
why I keep doing
You better
this.
get the fuck up off me.
Chill, bro.
Alright, we took the shit off and we're getting ready to put the better shit on right now. We got this
heat shroud.
heat shield, bitch. Yeah.
It's a shroud, not a shield.
Shut up, bitch. You don't know.
Suck me.
How do they say to do it? Install the... Oh, put that on there
Yeah, they
first.
said put the part of the hose down there on the turbo first. Oh, that was easy.
Really?
That was seriously easy. Now it's just be a bitch to tighten it down.
So it's probably quite a bit easier with having that on there. You can finagle it, canoodle with it a little bit. Scare
You don't need to stop with the goddamn shenanigans. So we got this pipe in there. Now we gotta put the other pipe on there and then the filter will be done. With that, we still got a blow off valve to do.
Cheers to you guys.
Maybe we used the wrong bolt before. So bite down. Yeah. Don't play it too hard. You break that fucking bolt out. Weird as fuck.
How many people does it take to work on a Focus ST?
Shut up, bitch. Care if you go stab the shit out of yourself. I did that the other day. A fucking garden hose. Now to fit this motherfucker on there. It's almost on. Is it on in the back or?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, I think it's in there.
Almost.
Oh yeah.
Next to hole. Oh shit, Jeff Gordon just passed him.
It's definitely as good as I'm getting it with that. And I'm not going to be able to get to that one to tighten it up anymore. Damn. That should be tight enough, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I would think.
At least for that. I mean, because I got it as tight as I fucking could.
I mean, it's got a rubber gasket.
Yeah.
You know it.
And that one's not going even with this. Second fucking time that's happening. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let's go on a trip!
Yeah, yo.
About to hear how this blow-off valve sounds.
Right there, buddy!
Damn! Successfully.
Fuck that.
Yeah, put the fucking windows up.
Damn, son, you bad.
I was gonna say, it probably feels a lot slower, but it sounds better.
Right now it feels slower, but it sounds meaner.
Yeah.
This is pretty quick for like 4 people.
Left or right?
What?
Left.
This thing's all about.
Jake, you need one.
What?
I'm telling you right now, you need one. No. Jake.
You can hear that turbo so much better.
The extra notes there.
Dude, that's awesome. MVT decal.
Just a couple of sprinkles.
We got one more back here too. Here, get a shot of that MVT sticker.
Move your head, Bob.
MVT sticker. Whammy. This car's awesome.
I left my phone back there. Apparently, you can't listen to music.
He's got heated mirrors.
Yeah. Spacious.
We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too. That's real. Too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel. I'm too good for my own good. I won't leak the album. I let it spill. #1, bitch.